We have got an incredible 1971 Chevrolet Super Cheyenne short bed pick-em-up truck. This thing is nut and bolt, body off frame restored, crate 350 motor, air conditioned, factory bucket seats with a console. Got a lot of great things to tell you about on this truck. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find the price tag on this one and about 200 other collector vehicles, all for sale. And they each have a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. 115 miles since the restoration. This thing is a sweetheart. Big giant piece of metal right here, and it is straight, no issues. Lines up all really nice. Sides of the truck are straight, clean. All this all the way down to the bottom, all nice, clean metal. The roof is straight, the cab corner, nice and clean. It opened real easily. Shuts real nice. Short box, all nice and clean, straight, nice tailgate. Beautiful. Oh, this door is already open. Shuts real nicely too. Same thing, all the way to the bottom, clean, smooth, straight. Fits real nice. I mean, it's not like a Mercedes. It is a truck, but I mean, it fits the way it's supposed to. The colors. If I was buying a new Corvette or a new car, I wouldn't even think to put this color on it. I think it's awesome on this truck. This is vintage. This is what you would have had back then. This sets it apart from all the red ones. I absolutely love the colors. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like ochre or something like that is the name of the color with the white. It's a two-tone. So the Cheyenne Super, I'm assuming, has something to do with all the trim on the outside here. There's some wood grain, has all the moldings. It's a two-tone. All of that looks like it's replaced. I think all of the glass was replaced. The rubber gaskets are soft. The mirrors, door handles look new. Up front, the grille, emblem, bumper, all that looks new. Correct antenna looks new. Sitting on some really nice wheels. They are Billet Specialties, and they are 20s. 20-inch polished wheels, a little bit wider in back, some really nice performance tires. I forget what side it's on. I'm going to show you something really cool here in a second. It has the cargo light on the back there. Chrome, all the trim back here looks new. Has the wood grain. Chevrolet is spelled out. All that's in fantastic shape. There is like a blend in the paint. I just noticed it. Like right in here, they either repainted this or they repainted that. And there's kind of a blend right here. But I'm going to show you something really cool here. Remember, the gas used to be here, used to be behind the seats. They relocated it under the truck. And that's where the fuel fill is. That's one of the modern ones. You just push in on it. You don't need to unscrew it. I think that's probably one of the reasons I bought the truck. I thought that was so cool. All right, let's open it up. I got a lot more good stuff to show you. They got them new fancy tailgates. They don't sound like a good old metal tailgate. There you go. Yeah, inside the box looks immaculate. I used this line in the last video, but it looks like they hauled pillows and feathers in here. A little bit of chrome and stainless trim. It's excellent short bed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified when the new videos are posted. We've been doing a couple a day. If you want to know when new arrivals appear on our website, you can text the word new to 844-592-2431. So the jambs and the inside of the doors are all painted real nice. Looks like the door latch mechanisms are replaced. The hinges have been replaced. So the inside has new door panels with the wood grain. That's part of the deluxe interior. Dash pad was replaced. AC truck, so it has the vents. All of this looks like new, all the bezels. There are some wrinkles in the wood grain though, but it has the factory gauges, 115 miles, tachometer, oil pressure gauge. It's It's funny, you buy a Super Sport Chevelle, it does not get a oil pressure gauge with the gauges, but the truck does. Factory air conditioned vent, Kenwood stereo system, all the heater controls, they all look like new. All this stuff looks really sharp and clean. Wood grain glove box, Cheyenne Super. Everywhere you look, under the dash, all nice and clean. New carpet, Chevrolet mats, bucket seats. This is really cool in an old truck. They're rebuilt. They're nice firm cushion. Houndstooth upholstery. A center console. I don't know how hard these are to get. This is not a reproduction. It's an original console. Cup holders, original seat belts. There is sound deadener underneath the carpet. Now up above, got a light. Let's see if it works. It doesn't work. Got a headliner trimmed in chrome, new visors, new mirror. Then we got a real nice tilt column with a beautiful deluxe steering wheel. So it's looking really good inside the truck. Weather strips are replaced, window seals. Each vehicle gets inspected and they fill out a 2 or 3 page sheet, and then there's a blank sheet they'll fill out. They'll re-inspect the truck before it leaves once it's sold. We were told this is a crate 350 motor, putting out about 350 horsepower. Up on top is an Edelbrock intake and carburetor, electric choke, HEI distributor in the back. It's got a set of headers, some nice chrome valve covers. Look at all the air conditioning components, the lines and fittings, and all of this looks really nice. All the metals clean and painted smooth. Aluminum radiator, it's got a shroud. Washer bottles hooked up. Alternator looks new. Power steering, they're Hedman headers. We got power brakes. And again, just look how everything is painted, smooth, clean, tidy. Show quality. Listen to this. There's the tailgate. So I said earlier, body off frame restored. It looks this nice underneath. The underbody is pristine metal, painted the same color. All the chassis was taken apart, rebuilt, restored, painted a nice smooth chassis black. Does have a lowered suspension, so lowered springs and shocks. All the steering and suspensions rebuilt. Upgraded front sway bar, has a new panhard bar in back, dual exhaust, Flowmaster mufflers, that looks new. Disc brakes in front, drum in back, e-brake system looks like it's all hooked up. A custom gas tank underneath there, like I mentioned. You look up at the motor, it still looks brand new. The starter looks new. It has a heavy-duty Turbo 400 automatic trans. New custom drive shaft, still has the sticker on it. 12-bolt rear end. So yeah, this is a nice truck. I like it. I was really looking forward to getting it in here to do the video. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer whatever questions you have left, including how to get this delivered, how to get it financed. That's at volocars.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.